Hi, I'm Jennifer Westrick, and this is my introduction video. Currently, I am the STEM/gifted liaison at my school, which is Austin Elementary in Dunwoody, Georgia, in the DeKalb County School District. Some personal and professional insights about me. I just completed my 15th year of teaching. I graduated from Auburn University in 1993, War Eagle, and I graduated with my master's from UAB in 1996. I was a teacher for 10 years, and then I had my first child, so I decided to be a stay-at-home mom. I stayed at home for 9 years, and I returned to teaching in 2014. My boys are now 14 and 11, and let's see. So that's pretty much me. My memorable diversity and equity issue, the only thing that I could really think of, because I live in a quiet bubble of DeKalb County, so I don't really get out much. But the one thing that I could think of, a couple of years ago, I went on a field trip with the 5th grade class to the Atlanta History Center. And we were there to attend the field trip for the civil rights simulations. And so we were part of a simulation for the Freedom bus riders that was bombed, and also simulated a sit-in at a diner in Atlanta. And that was a really great field trip. It really kind of brought that part of history alive for us, and those of us who were not alive during that time helped to give us some kind of perspective of what people felt and what they went through during that time. And then for my most and least favorite aspect of diversity and equity issues, I have to say, with taking these courses with Dr. Grantham, this is my third one, we talk a lot about diversity and equity issues. And before these classes, here again in my bubble of where I live, really didn't affect my school, so really didn't give it much thought. But now my eyes are open, and I realize that it is an issue, especially when we are trying to find our gifted students. And so with these classes, I'm proud to be learning how to become an advocate for our underrepresented students in my district, and how we can find those gifted students and get them qualified and get them into the programs that will benefit them. So that's me. I'm looking forward to learning with you all this semester.